Valentine. Into the dark cave, what does he see? A red egg is shaking, so wiggly. The boy smiles big, lifts his hammer high. Pop! Out jumps a red duck nearby. Red duck, quack, quack, loud and clear. It runs so fast and free to the pond beside the cave with glee. A few more steps. What's that glow? A blue egg hiding just below. It wiggles once, it wiggles twice. Pop! A blue duck jumps out nice. Blue duck, skips and hops real quick. Runs right out the cave to the pond so cool and slick.
The boy walks on, his eyes so bright, a yellow egg shining in the light. He giggles, then gives a mighty knock. Pop! A yellow duck runs out like a shock.
Yellow duck, zooms around full of luck. Flaps its wings with fun. To the pond it starts to run.
At the end of the cave, a green egg lies, wiggling gently like its size. The boy swings down with a mighty bang. Pop! A green duck joins the gang.
Green duck full of cheer. Quack, quack, loud and clear.
Green
Scampers down the narrow track to the pond, no looking back. One last egg, so quiet and small, purple like flowers along the wall. The boy lifts his hammer, soft and slow. Pop! Out comes a purple duck, ready to go. Purple duck, through the purple blooms it struts. Tiptoes after all the rest to the pond where ducks feel best. One red duck goes quack, quack. Two blue ducks jump right back. Three yellow ducks fly so high. Four green ducks come running by. Five purple ducks, what a sight, swimming together in the morning light.
The boy laughs loud and starts to chime.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, so fine.